Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil Fatahila. My name is 2023-32125. I'm from System Information class from class B. So for today's video, I will explain my project in web programming. So we were given some HTML example, and the task is to make that page to look like the picture example. Okay, so for now I will explain the HTML first. So for the head section right here, I changed the last line. I added new line to give link to reference the style.css to make the HTML looks more stylized. Okay, I only added that to the head section because the style.css is in one folder. Okay, by the way, it's called external link for CSS. Next, we go to the body section. For the first line, which is h1 or heading 1, I added class name h1, and then for the next line, h2, I added class nama, and then for the third line, still h2, I added id called name, and then for the next line, I added class called text1, and then right here I used span and gave it another class that I already used before called nama, just like the second line right here, nama, and then I added font style with I, which is italic. Okay, for the next line, P or paragraph, I used another same class, which is text1, and then for here I use span with the class called text2 right here, and then for the final line, for the h3, in the id section, A section, I added id called link. Okay, so that's it for the HTML structure. Next, we go to style.css. So for h1, for this section, I use class called h1, which is right here. So class is declared with dot, so dot h1 mean class h1. I added font size and change it to small, and then for the next line I used class nama. It will be right here. I added color to yellow and gave it background color blue. For the next line, id name, I give it a style of color and change it to blue. And for next class, which is text1, that I used right here and right here. For the text1, I gave it a text align and make it centered. And next, for this span section, which is nama, same right here, it will change the color to yellow and give it a background color blue. Next is this pen section, I used class text 2. It will change the background color to yellow and make the font style italic. And for the last line, which is id equal link, I just make it so the font color is black. So that's it for the HTML structure and CSS style, and this is what it looks like in the browser. This is my page, and this is the example page. So the first line is the same, second line, the third line, the paragraph which is centered, and some word it's different right here. And for the final line, it was a link but it's color black. Okay, so that's it my project for this report. Thank you. My name is Muhammad Fatayillah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.